afternoon. It is Saturday. We are on our way into Richmond, Virginia to pick up for a show. Which, you don't mind my shirt hanging behind me. We did laundry today. Anyway, hey, by the way, thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. We appreciate you guys. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move, growth of this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this out with your friends. We are on I-95 southbound, headed into Richmond. We are 13 miles from where we're supposed to pick up. We've got a load leaving a convention. I thought it'd be something fancy, you know, like a Broadway show, something like that. It's not. It's still kind of cool. It's unique. It's something that we do that you won't see a lot of tractor trailers doing, not on your normal day. We are picking up from this convention, and we are going, was it 180 miles?
Depends on which way you go. If you take the interstate, it's going to be about 250.
Okay. Less than 300 miles.
Yeah.
And we got to bring it to someone's house. So I will show as much as I can. I do not want to show the person's home unless I get permission. But we will show you as much as we can, like leading up to it, because we literally have to bring it to their front door. Got to use our lift gate, the whole 9 yards. So I won't show you any street names or house numbers or nothing like that, but I will show you us loading and unloading and doing all that. So we got paid extra because we have to use the lift gate and because it's low miles. But anyways, let's knock this one out. Let's get our day started. We're on I-95 southbound, loaded up with traffic, and we're getting pretty close to where we need to be. Wow, that's a nice center console. I'm sorry, I was distracted. Have a good night. Dock. Nobody knows anything, which is the norm. The people that have the exhibits, they can't move out until after, I think it's like a little after 5 or something like that. I don't know. But all I have is a booth number, and that's about it. So we're going to hang out here until we know more, and when we know more, you'll know more. But we're at the shipper, technically. So this should be interesting. I do have to remember to try to see if I can't get a point of contact to where we're delivering, and find out if we can deliver early. Those are the two questions that I have to ask. And to make sure the address is correct, because it's telling me that we're going to somebody's front door, so. I mean, which I don't have a problem with, that we've picked up from people's houses, so. But we'll see. Thanks for being here. another successful delivery and a happy customer. Signed, sealed.
Delivered.
It's theirs. Kind of an interesting situation. We hope we got footage of it. We had to drop it onto a small, from our back of our truck to the lift gate to a small utility trailer. It's just stuff that we do. It's unique. It's different, and this is why we like driving Expedited better than driving 53-foot trailers and bumping docks at shippers and receivers. Because with this, it's unique. You never know where you're going, what you're going to be carrying, and or where you're going to be delivering. Like this one here, we picked up from a convention center. It was like a convention for homeschool people. So it was like all different like books and different types of learning that they could do as homeschooling. And we picked up a pallet from them, brought it to a person's home that was kind of the one that was ahead of that booth, and dropped it off at her house, right onto their trailer. So it's just, you know, do you see that stuff driving 53-foot trailers? No, because as you can see in the video of us coming out of there, the likelihood of you getting a 53-foot trailer down there and not tearing something up is on the low side. You know, there's trees, low-hanging trees, there's power lines, there's cars, there's sharp curves. You know, it's very tight, and we knock it out and get it done. One thing about my wife and I, if it can be done, it will be done. We'll make it happen, Captain. And so we appreciate you all stopping by. Thanks for being here. Remember, be good to one another.
And live to expedite another day.
And we're out, Joe.